In the zone, understanding and using this popular English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in the zone. This phrase is widely used in both casual and professional settings. It's a great example of how English often uses metaphorical language to express complex ideas in simple terms. So, let's explore what it means to be in the zone, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. In the zone refers to a state of focused concentration and peak performance. Imagine a basketball player who keeps scoring points effortlessly, or a writer who's rapidly typing a novel without stopping. They're so absorbed in their activity that they're performing at their best. This mental state is what we call being in the zone. It's a universal experience, transcending language and culture, making it a valuable phrase to understand and use. The phrase, in the zone, likely originated in the world of sports. Commentators used it to describe athletes who were performing exceptionally well. Over time, the phrase crossed over into everyday language. Now, it's used in various contexts, from business to arts, to express being in a state of high efficiency and productivity. You can use in the zone in various situations. For example, at work, I was in the zone today and finished the project ahead of schedule. In sports, during the game, I was really in the zone and scored 3 goals. In creative work, I can't talk right now, I'm in the zone and making great progress on my painting. There are several phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, on a roll, doing very well, or having a series of successes. In the groove, performing a task efficiently and enjoying it. In one's element, being in a situation that suits one's abilities perfectly. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, in the zone. It's a powerful way to describe a state of deep focus and peak performance. Try using it in your conversations, and see how it enriches your communication. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about the wonderful world of English language.